Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and today we are going to give you the Trade Republic Savings Account review. As of mid 2025, Trade Republic Savings Account continues to be a compelling option for European savers seeking competitive interest rates and user-friendly digital experience. Here's an updated review of its key features and benefits and potential drawbacks. Now, first thing is interest rates and earnings. So current rate as of March 2025, Trade Republic offers a 2.5% annual interest rate, and on universal cash balances, this rate was adjusted from 2.75% following a European Central Bank ECB rate cut. Now, the interest is calculated daily and paid monthly, allowing for compound growth over time. Then here's the deposit limit. The 2.5% interest applies to a balance up to 50,000 euro amounts. Exceeding this threshold do not earn interest. Now the account feature is IBAN availability. Trade Republic provides national IBANs the countries like Spain, France, and Italy, facilitating local transactions and simplifying the tax reporting. So SafeBack program user receive a 1% SafeBack on card payments, which is automatically invested into their savings plan up to 50 euro per month. Saving plan is the platform offers automated saving plans for stocks and ETFs with no purchase fees and a minimum investment of 1 euro. The deposit protection is funds are protected up to 100,000 euro under the European Deposit Guarantee Scheme, ensuring security for depositors. Now here's the pros. So competitive interest, the 2.5% rate is higher than many traditional banks, making it attractive for savers. No fees, there are no fees for deposits or withdrawals and no minimum balance requirements. User-friendly interface, the mobile and web platform are intuitive and easy to navigate. Integrated investment option, users can seamlessly transitions from saving to investing within the same platform. Here's the cons. Interest rate fluctuations. The interest rate is tied to the ECB's deposit facility rate and may decrease with further rate cuts. Here are the customer support limitations. That is, support is primarily through email and in-app messaging, with some users reporting delays and lack of responsiveness. Tax considerations. In some countries such as Belgium, interest earned is subject to a 30% tax and users must declare it themselves. Withdrawal issues. There have been isolated reports of users experiencing difficulties withdrawing funds, highlighting potential concerns and customer service responsiveness. Now here's the final verdict, that Trade Republic saving account stand out for its competitive interest rates, user-friendly platform and integrations with investment options. However, potential users should be aware of the variable nature of the interest rate, customer support limitations and tax implications depending on their country of residence. For those residing in supported European countries, it offers a modern alternative to traditional banking. So here is a note for you: always ensure to check the latest terms and conditions on Trade Republic's official website or consult with a financial advisor before making investment decisions. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.